hand thing. Right?
Oh, yeah.
Right there. Walked into that, whatever, that shop.
The one across the street to your left.
Yeah.
Standing there. That one. Get him. Get him. Right there.
I can even see the mirror.
Right over there.
Yeah. Why don't we just get a round collection of everything? I mean, why waste a fish? Huh?
Sounds like napalming the whole area.
And the woman also did a little hat signal too. So anyway, got her.
A narcissist's dirty little secret. You know what the narcissist's dirty little secret is?
What?
You have? Is you like looking at little puppies and kittens. That's your dirty little... Is that your dirty little secret?
Of course. Look in front of Monk Office Supply. You see right behind that little checkered sign?
I see that asshole standing there, eating an apple or whatever.
Nobody eats.
No, he's putting a thing to his mouth.
That's all right. We'll just grab the whole thing and then...
This one, get him!
I am getting everything.
Okay. I'll... Here. You're not in the shot, don't worry. Get out of the way, bus. Your hand out of the way. There we go, I got him.
Get close up. I want you to zoom in.
I'm getting them from different angles. I always get close-ups. I zoom in afterwards.
Our friends, international friends,
I always get
close.
close-ups. I'm the expert at it. Remember the guy in the helmet? How close?
Exactly. Our international friends want to have like faces, car plate numbers, anything that's identifiable.
Right.
Huh? You see, I imagine, I don't exactly know what's going on, but I think what they do is all the groups, they may actually run like a picture.
Here's the guy who did the hair signaling.
Exactly. Get a little signal and that basically got him exposed,
yes,
right?
It did.
You know what? This is great. I'm going to actually, you know what? That perp guy is going to have a dinner by himself. Oh, he's walking around. Oh, now he's walking really fast.
The guy's sleeping in there. Look at him. Get the guy sleeping.
Wow.
Did you get him already?
That was earlier. Hey, look at this. 2 for 1.
Whew.
That cop car, that cop SUV has been driving. That one right there. See, did you see the cop car I got on the video too? It's on RCMP.
Yeah.
Right?
Right. Oh, in the comment section you said that too?
Yeah. Front has all tinted windows, like it's trying to hide its face or something. Yeah, the silver, like a Toyota Corolla S in front. When you get this video, yep, you'll see it. A verbal description isn't going to actually work. I can fill up my tank in about yeah, 1 tank. Okay, I don't know, not exactly. There's like a bit of a discrepancy, but I can Oh, I'm good. Continue. Oh, that's great. It's called reverse street theater. I guess so. Oh, so basically what you're saying is I should mind fuck them. It is a good idea. Oh, I am going to do a U-turn. Yes. I have to pick something up, right? No, I have to pick something up and then go home. What do you do? Buy some food items because when my dad's nephew comes there, I guess eventually I have to put something in, right? Ooh, food items. Yes, cooked. No. Not exactly that. Oh, Korean chicken. Yeah, you mean that Korean whatever something 669 or something? 6? Oh, you mean Korean chicken 649? Chicken 649. Good. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. You know, a tank shell can go into the bottom floor of the building and probably collapse the entire building. Right? Exactly. Yeah. No, the cops would basically say that. He's still rampaging. Take him out.